Hey everybody, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately, and it really hit home recently when I finished a book called Transurfing by Vadim Zeland. And that book has a chapter where he talks about energy pendulums. An energy pendulum is basically anything that takes your attention and thus it takes your energy. So you're feeding that pendulum. A good example is, being up on current events and being up on the news and the stock market and things of that nature, or, following some person on social media and just being all into what they're doing and, celebrity worship and things of that nature. Well, your energy flows where your attention grows. So if your energy is flowing, look at where your attention is and where is that going, and is that on your life? Are you working on your diet? Are you working out? Are you helping your body and your fitness? Is it on your family? Is it on anything other than what it should be to reach the goals that you want to reach? And what you'll discover is that you're giving your energy away for free, and you don't need to do that. What you need to do is take a step back, think about what you want, and stay focused on that and not let your energy flow onto something else and into another attention-grabbing thing. And it could even be social media. Now listen, I'm a big fan of social media. I've learned a lot from social media. I've actually, that's where I found out about a lot of books that I read, about a lot of workouts that I do, a lot of supplements that I take. It's all been from social media. So I'm not distracting that. But when you want to make sure that you're staying on task, you're staying focused, you've got to make sure that you're keeping and you're very mindful of your attention. So where your attention goes, your energy flows. More later.